Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel and checking all my video updates. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels for all the time frame analysis. Please use these levels for entering and exiting on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action, we already know that the current price action is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern. The resistance level marked in green color is the resistance line from the symmetric triangle pattern, and the support line on the bottom is the support line from the symmetric triangle pattern. And currently when we notice the price action in daily time frame, it is still trading within a bullish trend. In the past, the price action started its bullish trend trading in a channel pattern, suddenly gave a very nice bullish uptrend, then a retracement happened. Here also when we look at the past price action, it was in a very nice bullish trend, then suddenly gave a bullish spike, then it took resistance at the trend line of the symmetric triangle pattern and started its bearish trend. After the fall, we had noticed the price action consolidating over here, so we can expect a similar price action to be repeated over here. It can consolidate within this support level of 1787, or it can even fall little bit further and consolidate within this support and resistance level of 1787 and 1762. Currently this trend line or the support line is preventing the market from falling down. So if the price action crosses this support level of 1787, we can expect it to trend down to 1762. But overall, when we notice the price action within the symmetric triangle pattern, the current price action is in a very nice bullish trend. It has to break this support line and this symmetric triangle pattern support level to actually start its bearish trend reversal. These are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. I am expecting a sideways market or further fall in this currency pair. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we notice the price action in 4 hours time frame, this level where the current price action is taking support has been acting as a very strong support previously also. This is where the consolidation also happened, and it didn't break this support level and started its bullish trend. So if the price action continues to trade within this support level of 1788, we can expect a bullish trend to start. If it breaks this level, we can expect the next level of support to be at 1762, but still it is only on a retracement. It is not a trend reversal. So we can expect a bullish trend to restart in this currency pair. And when we look at the past price action, I have drawn the channel pattern over here. Previously the price action had tested this support line of the channel pattern, then a trend reversal has happened every time. And once it breaks this support level, you can notice that it took support on the previous support line, which was around 1788. Then the bullish trend has started. So I am expecting it to again take support on this support level of 1788, then a bullish trend to start. But when it retraces, this line will be acting as a resistance line. So we can expect again a consolidation over here, which is going to be around 1812, then a bullish trend to start. So it has only retraced to the 100% where it started its bullish trend. It is not a trend reversal yet. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame. So the values marked in yellow color are the support and resistance levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating within the support and resistance level of 1802 and 1790. This level is going to be acting as a very strong support for the current price action. If the price action breaches this support, we can expect a further fall and test the next level of support from the higher time frame, which is going to be around 1762. But still it will be only on a retracement. It is not a trend reversal. we can expect the bullish trend to start at any time. Again, in this time frame also, we cannot notice any sort of trend. The price action fell due to the news, and currently the price action is trading on a sideways. So this level of support, which is going to be around 1787, is going to be acting as a very strong support, and the current price action has lost its momentum on the bearish side. So we can expect the consolidation or sideways market continue in this time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Previously the market was in a very nice bearish trend and it is trading in a sideways for now. If the price action doesn't manage to break this support level of 1787, we can expect a bullish trend reversal from this support level. Wait for a formation of double bottom or W pattern to give a confirmation on the trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here also the price action has fallen due to the news, and there is no trend in this price action, and the price action is still recovering from its fall. So I have drawn the trend line over here to let you know the current trend of the market. You can notice that the price action has gone up, tested this resistance line, retraced, again tested this resistance line, and it broke this resistance line and went on a sideways and tested this next level of resistance line. So this shows that the price action is moving on a sideways rather than moving on a downtrend. Currently also you can notice that the price action taking support on this trend line or the support line, and it is moving on a sideways. So the bearish momentum is weak in this currency pair. We can expect a consolidation at this level, then a bullish trend reversal to happen. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. If the bullish trend continues, we can expect it to retrace and test this resistance level of 1809 or 1812, then a bounce back. I am expecting a sideways market or consolidation for today. So request you to draw trend lines like this. Whenever the price action tests this trend line or the support line, you can go on a bullish side trades. As long as this trend line is holding, you can go on a bullish side, and when the price action breaches this trend line, you can go on a bearish side trades. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. Here also I have drawn the trend line. It was on a very nice downtrend, and it has given a breakout from this downtrend because we have a higher time frame support level and also higher time frame support line running over here. So it couldn't break this support level, and it is in a very nice bullish trend. If the bullish trend continues, we can expect it to test this resistance level of 1812, then a retracement. Only when the price action breaches this support line, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values in black color boxes are the support and resistance levels for the current price action. Currently the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. We can expect it to test this resistance level of 1812. And if the price action breaches this resistance level, we can expect a bullish trend reversal. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.